So I just think it's such a wonderful sort of plenary experience for our students. They've just gotten to university, they're just figuring out how this place works. University Lecture Series comes up, they feel connected.
The University Lecture Series gives UT undergraduates an opportunity to hear from leading faculty members, scholars, scientists, and civic leaders who are nationally and internationally renowned. Every first-year student attends one lecture as a component of their signature course requirement. Lecture series range from leadership and ethics to research and creativity.
Being presented with the opportunity that the University Series presents them with, namely the chance to get to hear about the work that is being performed by people here at the university, the interest that faculty members have, opens their eyes to what's available to them. I really think that without the University Lecture Series, this may not be as easy for them to see.
I found it really refreshing to hear people so passionate about the things that they were researching when I was trying to become passionate about finding a major.
It's incredibly important to have that opportunity early in your career to sort of see there's great people on this university campus. I might not have them for class, but I'll have a chance to at least hear them speak.
The University Lecture Series is one of the most impactful experiences of a first-year student's life at UT on the 40 acres. And it gives them the very strong sense of being part of this magnificent community. It's their first taste of internalizing the identity of being a true Longhorn. Hook 'em.